Hey everyone, what is going on? Got the caliber here. Going to be doing the power steering pump today. Should be fairly easy as it's right up top here. And I got a new belt. There it is. So, got the belt off. That second pulley down there is the tensioner. You're going to need a 16 and another wrench to get the tension off. And we'll have to weave it off all these belts and the water pump belt, or the water pump pulley in the back. So you get the belt off all these pulleys and that's out over there. Now to get to the pump. We got a container to catch oil fluid, so that way I can take the two lines off. Keep this up so we don't get oil everywhere. Should be an 18 for the high pressure. There we go. Now you're gonna have to take this off to use on the new reman pump. A little bit of fluid in that. Not actually too bad, actually. This little bolt is a 10 mil for that bolt to get the reservoir fitting off. So now that we got our fittings off and our belt off, there are a few bolts right down here on the bracket. Looks like there is there's three. I don't know if you can see them. One there, and one right up in here. So you should be able to get them all pretty easily. So we got 13 for these bolts for the pump to the housing, to the bracket, I mean. So we got that one, this one right here. And then the bottom one way down here. So there we go. Those are all cracked loose. I can get them out now. You can see there's a bit of play there. This is the knocking noise I was probably hearing. So, get this pump out. The way the bracket is, that bolt goes through the bottom, so the pump will be stuck a little bit. You're gonna have to wiggle it out once you get all three bolts out. And just work it out. So, old pump's out. Getting the new pump in and lined up was a little bit tricky because they painted it, so it was a little tight. So, once we get it all in, we'll go ahead and bust out the new O-rings for this fitting and this one. And get it all back together. So we got O-rings, we got our big O-ring to go on this guy, and then we got our small O-ring for this one, and can put the hoses on, and then we can fish the belt. So hoses are all connected, everything's bolted down. You know what we're ready for now?
Yeah.
What? The belt. We need the belt. Where's the belt? There we go. New belt. So, easiest thing to do is to fish it through and start back on the water pump. Then get the crank pulley and snake the front up. So, now we're doing the belt. You got to take this splash cover off to get it around, like the AC and the idler pulley and the crank pulley. Everything else you can reach from the top. I didn't have to pull the tire, just had to do that. Now I got to finish routing it. So, pump is all changed. Belt is routed correctly. I did do a test start. I'm exhausted. I'll leave a picture of the belt wiring diagram up right about now. And that's the diagram. So should be good now. Everything's on. I test ran it, belt didn't come off, so got a little bit of fluid everywhere, but should be all right. Till next time.